Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic artificial intelligence. So let's get started. In his seminal 1950 paper, Computing Machinery and Intelligence, Alan Turing proposed a test to determine if a machine can think. What was the original name he used for this test? The correct answer is option C, the imitation game. Developed in 1955 by Alan Newell, Herbert A. Simon, and Cliff Shaw, which program is often considered the first artificial intelligence program. The correct answer is option A, the logic theorist. John McCarthy, who coined the term artificial intelligence, also created which programming language in 1958 that became the standard for AI research? The correct answer is option B, Lisp. The famous Dartmouth Workshop, widely considered the founding event of AI as a field, took place in which year? The correct answer is option D, 1956. The 1973 report that led to a massive reduction in AI funding in the United Kingdom, contributing to the first AI winter, is known as what? The correct answer is option A, the Lighthill Report. The ALPAC, Automatic Language Processing Advisory Committee, report in 1966 was particularly critical of progress in which specific AI subfield? The correct answer is option B, machine translation. Which 1960s expert system, developed by Edward Feigenbaum and Joshua Lederberg, was designed to analyze chemical compounds? The correct answer is option C, Dendral. In the early 1980s, which country launched the fifth-generation computer systems project to leapfrog Western technology using AI? The correct answer is option D, Japan. The popularization of the backpropagation algorithm in 1986, which revitalized neural network research, is primarily attributed to which trio of researchers? The correct answer is option A, Rumelhart, Hinton, and Williams. In which year did IBM's Deep Blue defeat world chess champion Garry Kasparov in a six-game match under tournament conditions? The correct answer is option B, 1997. Who is credited with introducing Bayesian networks in the 1980s, providing a mathematical framework for reasoning under uncertainty? The correct answer is option C, Judea Pearl. The 2005 DARPA Grand Challenge, a landmark event for autonomous vehicles, was won by Stanley, a vehicle created by which university? The correct answer is option D, Stanford University. Which AI program, developed by Terry Winograd in 1968 to 1970, demonstrated natural language understanding within a restricted blocks world? The correct answer is option A, S-Chardielu. Philosopher John Searle proposed which thought experiment in 1980 to argue against the possibility of strong AI? The correct answer is option B, the Chinese room. Which deep learning architecture won the 2012 ImageNet Large-Scale Visual Recognition Challenge, ILS-VRC, sparking the modern AI boom? The correct answer is option C, AlexNet. The landmark paper Attention is All You Need, which introduced the transformer architecture, was published by researchers at which company? The correct answer is option D, Google. In 1958, Frank Rosenblatt introduced which early neural network device that could learn to recognize patterns? The correct answer is option A, the perceptron. Rodney Brooks, a critic of traditional symbolic AI, proposed which architecture in the late 1980s that emphasized intelligence without representation? The correct answer is option B, subsumption architecture. During the 1980s, AI enjoyed a commercial boom driven by which specific type of technology used by corporations like Digital Equipment Corporation, DEC? The correct answer is option C, expert systems. Geoffrey Hinton and Terry Sinowski introduced which stochastic recurrent neural network in 1985, named after a famous physicist? The correct answer is option D, the Boltzmann machine. Which robot, developed at SRI International between 1966 and 1972, was the first general-purpose mobile robot to reason about its actions? The correct answer is option A, shaky. Who is the father of expert systems who coined the term knowledge engineering? The correct answer is option B, Edward Feigenbaum. Which 2017 AI milestone demonstrated that a program could learn to play chess, shogi, and Go at a superhuman level starting from scratch with no human data? The correct answer is option C, AlphaZero. The Psych project, started in 1984 by Douglas Lenat, aimed to assemble a comprehensive ontology and knowledge base of what? The correct answer is option D, everyday common sense. Which of these was not a founding member or attendee of the 1956 Dartmouth Summer Research Project on Artificial Intelligence? The correct answer is option A, Alan Turing. In 1966, Joseph Weizenbaum created which early chatbot that simulated a Rogerian psychotherapist? The correct answer is option B, Eliza. Paul Werbos is often credited with first describing which fundamental AI training method in his 1974 Harvard thesis, though it remained obscure for years? The correct answer is option C, backpropagation. Ian Goodfellow and his colleagues introduced which class of machine learning frameworks in 2014 involving two neural networks pitting against each other? The correct answer is option D, generative adversarial networks. The first full-scale humanoid intelligent robot, Wobbit 1, was built in 1973 at which university? The correct answer is option A, Waseda University. Which alternative to the Turing Test, proposed by Mark Riedel, focuses on a machine's ability to create a piece of art or a story? The correct answer is option B, the Lovelace test. Thank you for watching.